Well, I think the reason there's so many foreigners who want to give back to Aruba is because Aruba has made them feel so special and so terrific. And initially, Aruba might have been an escape for a lot of people. They wanted to, get away from whatever they were dealing with back home, back in the States. And then once they got here, when you fall in love with something, you want to do anything you can for it, right? Except for my ex-girlfriend. But when you fall in love with something, you want to give it all you can. And what's so terrific about Aruba, and I tell this to everybody, you can go everywhere on this island, everywhere, and you will find something beautiful and safe and happy. And I think that once other foreigners have come here and they experience that, they want to do whatever they can to support and love the place that made them feel so special.
Take it from Ray. You've probably seen him around the island. He's the man behind Aruba Ray's Comedy. Aruba has been a second home to Ray for more than a decade. Last June, Ray teamed up with One Love Foundation, an organization dedicated to helping Aruba's stray animals. Together, they hosted a fundraising event in New York City, raising an incredible $25,000, all of which went directly back into the Aruba community.
So we did an event in New York City. It was a stand-up comedy show at a terrific club in the city called the New York Comedy Club. And we had an amazing lineup of comedians, and it sold out, and we raised like $25,000 for the animals of Aruba. So it was a New York City event with people who love animals, with people who love Aruba, with people who just love laughing, with people who just love me. And it was a great time. So after having that successful event in New York City, we thought, well, let's do the same thing in Aruba for the animals of Aruba.
As we know, Aruba welcomes thousands of visitors each year, but some become more than just tourists. Many return time and time again, investing not just in vacations, but in the island itself, spending months at a time here and finding ways to give back to the community that they love.
Yes, I am American.
Tell me, as an American, why are you, in a way, going above and beyond to help Aruba's stray animal situation?
I have a house here. My plan is to retire here. And I think wherever you are, one, it's important to give back to the community. And also, for me, this is a global issue. And by helping with spay and neuter here, that helps to prevent lots of the dogs that right now come from Aruba into the U.S. We've got our own issues with overpopulation of animals in the U.S. So this way we help to stop that influx of animals from other areas in the world.
One Love Foundation was started by a group of women who wanted to make a difference for Aruba's stray animals. By leveraging their networks abroad and their Rolodex, they've been able to create real impact, both on the island and beyond. Michelle, a One Love board member, shares what the foundation is all about.
I think the mission really is to try and help to create a better life for the animals here in Aruba, as well as the community, right? Because you see with the strays a lot of times that they are going after people's livestock, or they are attacking people. And I think by helping with the situation, it not only helps better the lives of the animal, but also the community in a whole.
On March 21st, the laughter and generosity continues at Eagle Resort inside Double Down Restaurant. Ray Allen and his team of comedians, in collaboration with One Love Foundation, are bringing Aruba's first annual positively hilarious stand-up comedy benefit, a night of comedy for a great cause. As Ray puts it, it's an event you won't want to miss.
So it's a really phenomenal comedy lineup. The show's in English, other than me saying Kiko te Kiko, it'll be in English. Even if you don't love comedy and you just want to support animals, it's a great reason to come. Even if you hate animals, it's a terrific reason to come, because it's a win-win-win no matter what.
I'm talking to the dog.
This is unbelievable. This is an outrage.
How come Michelle and Ray love Aruba so much, and why give back to a place you don't even live in full time?
Aruba's, I tell this to people back in the States, I say you can't necessarily explain it. You have to experience it. I've been to every island in the Caribbean and a lot of other islands in the world. And Aruba's called One Happy Island for a reason. When you're here, you just feel incredible, right? It's all of it. It's the scenery, it's the water, it's the people. It's just a good feeling. Aruba is a feeling.